Hello and welcome to the first ever episode of Enjoy Investing. Now, in this first ever video, I'm just going to give an overview of myself and why I've started the channel. So, I'll just open up my tab here. Right, so this is me, Samuel Mark Lenthal, and I've literally a few months ago finished my final exams at university. I've been guaranteed a first class honours. With everything that's been going on with the coronavirus, we've been guaranteed our average grade, so that's brilliant. So I'm very happy with that. I'll just scroll down here and you can see some of my experiences here. So, work in the past, I've done a bit of work in China. I've been the president of an investment society at one of my previous universities. I'll be starting a short course at Oxford in September. Did economics, banking and Chinese at university here in Manchester, and these are all of the licenses and certifications, and yeah, so that's me. I've worked in finance before. I've worked in wealth management, retail banking, I've done trading. So, and in the future videos, what we'll do is the format of the videos will be, I'll go over some of the financial news. So I'll log into my Financial Times account. We'll look at things, what's going on in the markets. So we take a click here. So the fall of currencies under the spell of stocks worries strategists. So what we'll do is we'll discuss things like this in the short podcasts. They'll be around 5 to 10 minutes, these videos. So I'll go through the news. Wall Street sets to slip as COVID-19 flare-ups threaten economic recovery. And then what we'll then do is we'll come over to the markets, and so we'll give discussions in terms of crypto, forex, stocks, and here we can see I've been looking at Boeing and Coca-Cola. I think these are good value stocks at the moment. Boeing is a big key strategic company within the United States. It's connected to airlines, so airlines have seen a big drop in their share values at the moment because of everything that's been going on with the virus. Boeing is connected to this, but Boeing is quite safe because despite America being a free market economy, I wouldn't necessarily say it's that, because it has what I would refer to as an entrepreneurial state. It has an industrial policy, and regardless of people thinking America being free market, companies like Boeing, Facebook, Google, Amazon, all of these Tesla, these key companies receive a lot of subsidies from the American government. And also Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, as you can see here, is also very well priced. Its previous price before the crash was at around £60, and now it's looking around about £46.58. So I'd say this is a good stock, and Coca-Cola's not going anywhere. Coca-Cola's not going bust anytime soon, and if we'll have a look at a long-term graph here, it's not been this cheap for a very long time, so this would be a good buy. And I'll also, in the future episodes, go into some further analysis, use some indicators, like you can use oscillators and things that show you volume there, and we'll do some more in-depth analysis, especially when it comes to forex. And so that's a brief overview of myself and the format of the future videos. I do have some notes here if there's anything else to cover today. So yeah, oh, and also just a quick disclaimer, although I have been to university and I've done my degree and everything, I'm not a chartered, financial advisor, whatever, and I'm not telling you to do anything specific. I'm just giving you information, and you can choose how you decide from this information yourself. So I'm not giving you advice, just as a disclaimer. I've been investing for quite a few years now. Let's see if it will show my return at the moment. How do I find my returns? I think my current returns are at around 7%, despite everything that's been going on. You can see my live results here. So yeah, I mainly invest in ETFs, but that's because I've been at university and I don't have a lot of time to actually look at the fundamentals and the technicals of companies. So I do mainly just invest in ETFs when I don't have a lot of free time. It should show my return. My return's around 7% anyway at the moment. I'll have to I'll have to find I'll have to find how I can get that up in a future episode. Let's see, portfolio. Right, we'll have to come back to that in a future episode because I don't want this video to go over its time. But yeah, so I hope this gave a nice brief overview of what my channel is going to be about. We'll aim for around 3 videos a week, let's say. I'll have to see how much time I've got available and what the audience likes. And in terms of indicating what you would like to see as an audience, if you press the like button when it's a video you find interesting, and the dislike button when you don't find it interesting, I'll then know what to talk about more of. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.